Welcome to day 8 of your Strongest 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 7, please go back and watch them, okay? You guys have to watch them. There's so many things that you're missing, okay? And I already taught you how to actually go over what we're going to go over now in terms of finding errors on your credit reports. Now I want you guys to actually take action and highlight these different things, okay? So please go back and watch days 1 through 7 if you have not watched them already, because we're on day 8 and there's so many things that you need to actually learn to be at this stage, okay? So for people that's in day 8, today we're talking about the common errors on your credit reports. So I want you guys to actually have out your credit reports. If you guys already signed up for the 6 months of letters, I already highlighted everything for you. It's something that you're going to get included. So don't worry about highlighting anything. I already kind of have it already highlighted for you, where you can see like all of the different errors on your credit reports. You'll see like the differences in terms of all 3 credit bureaus. Don't worry about today. Just chill and relax. But the people that haven't done that, you guys have not gotten your errors already highlighted. I want you guys to look at like the date open. I want you to look at if it's a wrong balance. And when I say wrong, we don't really know a lot of times what's the balance on these accounts, if we can be truthful, right? We don't really know. What we need to do is we need to line up all 3 credit reports, and then we can check, what does this bureau say, this bureau say, and this bureau say? Is the balance the same, or if they are they different? If they're different, just highlight it, okay? Also look at the date open. What this bureau say, this bureau say, this bureau say. If they're different, then you highlight it, because those are errors. There's inaccuracies. This is one account that we're talking about, so everything should be exactly the same. I only got one social security number. I don't have multiple social security number because I'm one person. I only have one date of birth because I'm one person. I only have one name. Okay, so when they come down to these accounts, they only supposed to have one day open. They're only supposed to have one last date activity. The payment history is supposed to be the same. No matter which bureau you checking, it's supposed to be the same information. So these are the things that you need to go ahead and highlight so you can see the different inaccuracies in this, okay? So look for the incorrect balances, the wrong dates. See if there's duplicate accounts. You might have an account on your credit reports with the same company with the same exact balance on it, but it has a different account number. Highlight this, because duplicate accounts are more common than you think. Okay, so highlight these different things. Okay, and then we're going to actually do our disputes starting tomorrow on day 9. We're going to actually start our disputes. But again, for the people that did the 6 months worth of letter, don't worry about highlighting anything, and don't worry about actually creating a dispute letters, because you guys should be able to have those dispute letters. All I want you to do is make sure that you're mailing it all certified mail, which is this right here. Use a certified receipt, mail a certified mail. That's all I want you all to worry about, okay? So again, this is the certified mail. This is certified receipt. All I want you guys to do is actually just mail this thing out certified. Okay, that's it. If y'all can do that, y'all will be good. Okay, y'all would definitely be good. So again, find those different errors, and when you find those errors, highlight them, because that's exactly what we're going to need tomorrow and for the next few days when we actually do our disputes. All right, if you guys haven't already, you want help with your highlighting or 6 months of letters, please make sure you guys go ahead and sign up for the 6 months of letters. This is something that you don't have that pay for it, so that's going to be perfect. And if you haven't already, please also make sure you guys get that 3-book bundle. I'm going to make sure that I pin it down below for the people that have not gotten it already. If for some reason it's sold out, leave me a comment. When it come back in stock, I'll make sure I message you. I'll make sure I leave you a comment back saying, hey, it's in stock. You better get it. You better get it. All right, I'll see you all later.